Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Clamato Preparado. These are the ingredients that I like to use. Limes, ice, chili powder, hamburger slices. I like to cut them up into really small pieces. Liquid chile, lemon pepper, olives, Worcestershire sauce, Season All, Clamato. You can use any Clamato you like if you want to use the one with lemon or the picante. I'm going to use the original. Shrimps, you can use fresh shrimp or dried shrimp. The olives, of course. Celery. Another thing that I do not have here, but you can also add, is carne seca. And I'm going to be using the chile, the liquid chile, and the chili powder to rim the glass. Some people like it, some people don't, but today this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go ahead and start off by putting some lemon around the cup. On the inside, just a little bit, and on the top. Then I'm gonna go ahead and swirl it around here in the liquid chili. Make sure to get it all on there, and then go ahead and go around in the chili powder. The next thing I'm going to do is add the Worcestershire sauce. I don't have an exact recipe for this, but I just go by guessing. Next, I will put the Season All, just enough to season it, but you can add as much or as little as you like. After that, you go ahead and shake up your Clamato to make sure you get all the ingredients well mixed up in there. You go on ahead and add it in there. Make sure to leave room for your ice as well. Next, I'm gonna add the chopped celery. Well, not chopped, sliced. And then I'm gonna add some olives. Whoops. Then I'll be adding some fresh shrimp. You can add as much or as little as you like of all these ingredients. I'm also going to be adding some lemon juice. I'm going to be adding some pickle pieces. Again, you can add as much or as little as you like. Also some lemon pepper. This is just depending on how spicy you like your clamatos. And then with the celery stick, you go ahead and mix it. Mix it really good to get all that flavor in there. And then add some ice. Give it another little swirl. Get everything incorporated in there. Mixed up well. And there you go. Your Clamato Preparado. Please, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so whenever I load up a video, you guys know. Thank you.